The 3-second test. Who controls you? Stop. In 3 seconds, you will understand why you have lived your life completely wrong until now. Every day. By everyone. Your parents, your partner, your boss, even your friends. They all use this trick on you. But what if I show you and how you can fight back? It's called psychological reactance, the darkest mind trick in human history. And in exactly 5 minutes, you can master it, but only if you're strong enough to stay until the end. Are you ready? Or will you click away now, back into your safe, controlled life? You're still here. Good. Then let's begin. 1. Why change fails. But first, you need to understand something fundamental. You ask for something and get a no. You try to persuade and meet resistance. You want closeness and get distance. You can't change people. But you can influence their decisions by understanding how their brain works. The key lies in a single word, and this word is what you fear most. Listen closely now, or you will never find out. 2. The power of freedom, autonomy. Imagine someone tells you, you must do this. What do you feel? Resistance. Your brain screams, no one tells me what to do. That is reactance. Do you know what people want more than anything? Autonomy. The feeling of making their own decisions. If you threaten that, you lose every single time. But if you protect their autonomy, doors open. But how do you take away someone's choice without them noticing? This is the point where most people fail. Stay tuned to see the trick. 3. The illusion of choice removal. Here is the trick. You seemingly remove the possibility of choice, but not from the person, but from their duty. Real example, my partner ignored the dishes. I knew do the dishes won't work, so I said, you know what, forget it. I'll just do it myself later. Done. The urge to regain control was stronger than laziness. I seemingly removed their autonomy, and that made all the difference. But does this work in your love life? I'm going to show you the trick that works every time in dating. Dating and habits. Scenario 1, just dating. The subtle invitation. You want to see them again, but not seem needy. Wrong. When can we meet again? Screams neediness. Right. That was really nice. I'm busy this week anyway. Only reach out if you really want to. No pressure. What happens? Their brain hears, he gives me control, and suddenly says, they reach out. Voluntarily. You just understood their brain. Scenario 2. Habits, the psychological turbo. Your partner wants to live healthier, but always falls back. Nagging doesn't work. Wrong. You must stop that. It's destroying you. They hear, you control me. Right. Hey, I see you are trying, but I know it's damn hard, probably almost impossible. Set yourself no pressure if you fail. It's okay. What happens? Their brain thinks, almost impossible, challenge accepted. You offer defeat as the easy option. Their ego wants to win, motivation from nowhere. But before you apply this, there is something critical you absolutely must understand, or you will destroy everything. 5. Important. Ethical use and trust. This is powerful, and with power comes responsibility. The rule is simple. Use this only for things that are good for the other person. Help them make better decisions. If you try to fool someone, you will lose the most valuable thing of all. Trust. Use it wisely, use it ethically, because this isn't manipulation, it's communication mastery. Welcome to the few who understand, and now I have to confess something to you. 6. The meta-revelation and the ultimate test. Wait a moment. Do you remember the first 3 seconds? I told you, stop, look away, this video is not for you. And what did you think? Don't tell me what to do. I got you. From the very first second, that was reactance, live, on you. Now here's what I want you to do now. Hit the like button, drop a comment. We answer every comment. And if you want to understand more about human psychology and why people do what they do, hit that subscribe button. Join us, because most people live controlled lives. We decode minds. See you in the next one.